In this video I will explain how to create an assembly and step. Okay, it is the next part after property module. Okay, so let's move to assembly module, create an instance. Just click on instance and create. The window appears and just click on independent mesh on instances. Okay, and now click OK. So we have created an instance in assembly module. Okay, this is it. We will now move to step module. In step module, click on step manager. There is one step already there. You don't have to worry about that. Just click on create to create a new step. Just name it. Let's say stress analysis. Static journal. Okay, just click on continue. Now if you want to do linear analysis, then you don't have to check this out. Okay, so NLGeom, that means nonlinear geometry, on or off. If you want to do nonlinear analysis, click on that. If you want to linear analysis, click on that. Okay, we need to do nonlinear analysis, so we will click on okay, there are a few options here. For now I will not change anything. Okay, I will keep it default. In case when we will run in the job module our analysis, if some error comes, we will come back here. So I will explain it later. Okay, I will leave it as default. Just click on, so non-linearity is on. Okay, click OK. This is how we have just created step. Okay, so we have covered part, property, assembly, step, and then we will move to load module. I will explain it in the next video.